creating this video to show how to program the garage door opener on this Ford Explorer 2018. So the way you do it is, first of all, press these first and third button until the red light continuously blinks. So that basically clears any previous programming. So that means it has cleared any previous setting now. The next step you have to do is grab a remote and then press that, and then the first button or whichever button you want on your keypad. So press this together until the red light blinks continuously. Now the next step is basically to go back to your garage door machine and then press this one button, and now that is blinking. Now again, going back to the car, and what you have to do is press this first button 3 times. Alright, so I had to press 4 times, but last time when I did it, it was only 3 times, but looks like it has set up. So let me try it again. Yep, that worked. So it should work when you press 3 times, but if not, you can also try the 4th time and it should work. Thank you.